to show you how to successfully read your registration marks manually on your Silhouette Cameo 4 when the automatic scan fails. So if your machine stops and you get the message, fail to detect registration marks, don't worry, you can continue to do it manually. On that pop-up, make sure you choose manual so the machine knows you're going to align it yourself. Use the arrow buttons on your Silhouette to carefully move tool 1 over the top of the black registration square. Make sure the tool is directly above it, covering the square just like this. Once it's lined up correctly, click register. You should then see the machine begin scanning and continue with no issue.